Welcome. This is Kim Sunshine with Boostm8, and today we are going to create some products in our Boostm8 software. So the cool thing about our Boostm8 software are there are a million and one things that you can do. Don't feel overwhelmed if you're looking at things that are not necessary for you to do. Once you're logged in, on your left panel, you click Payments. Once on Payments, it lands on Invoices and Estimates. Click on Products. In the drop-down menu, you'll click Products. Today, we're just going to do a simple product. Once this page opens, if you have already created products, they will all show here. Since this is our first product, we're going to create a product. So click Create Product. We name our product here, give it a title, My Product for Sale. Also, you can give a description. If you have multiple products that have various prices, you can also put that in the title if you would like. Here, you would do the description for your product. My product for sale. You can upload a file to show the product or the service that you're adding. So we know that this is named product. Even though it would be a service, you still want to put it in as a product. Even though it's a service, it's still a product, meaning that you're going to exchange money for something. That makes it a product. We'll talk about collections later, but right now we don't have to add it to a collection. If it's a physical product, you will be collecting tax on it. For services, most services are not taxed. So you can take a look at the different options. Right now we are doing a service, so we are not going to list any taxes on there. If it is a one-time fee, you would put the one-time in here and the cost. Let's just say it's a $50 product and the amount. If it's a recurring, now you get more options. You would click recurring. It's $50, but that's a monthly. It's ongoing, so you don't have to fill anything else out except for monthly. So the options we have are daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and custom. So with custom, you could do like every 6 weeks or a lot of other variety of things. I think most products are going to fall into one of those choices when it's recurring. If it's a recurring payment and it has an end, you would put the number of payments until it ends. If you're giving a free trial of the product or service, you would give that trial period. So in recurring, we're giving 1 month for free. So therefore we want to do it in days. That would be 30 days. If we gave 2 months, that would be 60 days. So now no charges will happen for 60 days. But let's say there is no trial period. The amount is $50. It's recurring monthly and it's ongoing. But we need to set everything up, and let's say that's a $2,000 setup fee. So therefore, you would put that setup fee, and then when that product is purchased by the customer, they're going to pay the $2,000 today plus $50, and next month they'll just be billed the recurring $50. Now for this example, we're just going to do that it's a $50 one-time fee, move on. You can add variants. Most products are not going to have variants, especially services. But product variants, we'll just take a look at this real quick. Could be, you can do options like size and color. So if you're doing shirts or shorts or clothing or tchotchkes, that's where you would use your variants. For services, I would say just create a new product instead of a variant of an existing product. That will make it easier on your workflows and how you're responding to that. Just make it much more clear for you to see exactly what's happening. For SEO, if you are looking for your product to be found on the internet, you definitely want to add SEO information in here. Since this product is a service and I'm only doing it for my existing customers, I really don't want this to be found on the internet. So I'm not putting any search engine listing information in here. But naturally, we have the SEO information in here. So all you do is click Save. You can always edit your products at any time. I saved it. Now we'll see our product here. So there you have, you've created your product.